Every year, thousands of Texans are victims of domestic violence. A local organization is seeing an increase in people trying to get a protective order to escape violence.
But sometimes that order does not last long enough. KXAN's Lauren Landman looks at how some state lawmakers are trying to change that.
Every day, our representatives are looking at ways to make life a little better.
They're thinking that no one's out there to help them.
Melissa Rodriguez with the Hayes Caldwell Women's Center is talking about victims of family violence. Each year, she says more and more people are coming to the center looking for advice on how to get a protective order.
It has basically doubled. If you build it, they will come, you know that saying.
A permanent protective order only lasts up to 2 years. Rodriguez says many times victims are looking for something a little longer. This session, lawmakers will be discussing ways to make that happen. Right now, getting a protective order longer than 2 years can be difficult. The offender must have caused serious bodily injury or have had 2 prior protective orders involving the same victim.
Currently, the way that's being applied is 2 or more police reports, which isn't always what happens. Often, our victims don't call the police, but there are other violent episodes.
The new bill would mean victims don't have to file a police report, which could put them in more danger. Instead, they would need good documentation.
Keep copies of text messages. Take photos if there are any.
A change Rodriguez says will add an extra layer of protection for those in an already bad situation. Lauren Landman, KXAN News.
Last year, more than 72,000 people received services from Family Violence Services in Texas. But 39% of requests for services in Texas were not met because of lack of space and resources in shelters. In 2015, 158 women were killed by a male partner. Investigators say 36-year-old Ebeth Lopez was kidnapped, shot, and killed by her ex-boyfriend last month in Del Valle. Charles Werchin then turned the gun on himself, according to deputies. Records show Lopez called Elgin police to complain about Werchin just 3 days before she was killed. But police tell us they didn't have any physical evidence of abuse. If you or someone you know or love need help, you can call the National Domestic Violence Hotline. That number is 1-800-799-7233.